Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have not received your SHEIN refund, first open the app and then check your refund status in your orders details. Refunds usually take several business days depending on your payment method. If the refund shows completed, check your bank or payment provider. Make sure the refund was sent to the original payment method used. If the refund is delayed beyond the stated time frame, contact SHEIN support customer through the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.